All right, everybody, this is gonna be a quick little video comparing these two helmets and telling you why I've upgraded to the Shoei RF-1400 from the Bilt Techno 2.0. So, for most of y'all, this goes without saying, but a helmet like the Shoei here is about infinitely times better than the Bilt. And there's many reasons for that, but mainly the construction and the safety rating on the helmet is incredibly better than the Bilt. Not to say the Bilt is a dog shit helmet, but the Shoei is much better in comparison, and it's a professional grade helmet rather than this just being a street rider grade. Getting into it here, this is mainly good for a street rider, like I just mentioned, and this is mainly good for a track rider, just somebody who rides hard in general. The Bilt is better in the aspect of it has a built-in communication device, Bluetooth system, and it's got a built-in sunglasses visor, a secondary visor as well. That's another nice feature about this helmet. I have enjoyed that. The convenience factor is definitely there, but I'm at the point where I need the safety from a helmet like this. So I have decided to drop the coin on the Shoei RF-1400, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be really nice. My immediate impressions are already very happy with it. It's incredibly comfortable. The construction on it is amazing. It's immaculate. I mean, when you compare it to this creaks and it's flexible. This is solid. It's a resin, fiberglass resin shell, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And the padding is incredible too. It's very, very quiet, like I said. This helps with the sound deadening as well, how tightly it squeezes your face and your neck around your head. Very, very nice helmet. I actually purchased this helmet with a transition visor, which is very, very cool. I did not know that they made these. As soon as I found out, I had to have it. So I went ahead and just bought the transition visor. The Shoei that I ordered from Helmet House, I believe was the store. It came with a pin lock, and I went ahead and put that on the transition lens, the visor lens. And I'm looking forward to trying this out. I'm hitting the track at the end of next week, and I am super excited to try it out. And I'll keep this around as a little beater helmet, but yeah, never really wearing that one again. This one, I decided to add this little nose piece. This actually came with the Bilt, but I decided to add it on here because I've always liked that. That's something I just did right when I got it out of the box. But anyway, that's about it for this video. Just figured I'd give you guys a little comparison between these two and why I decided to upgrade. And yeah, that's about it. See you next time. Stay rowdy.